Mrs. BG here. We are at the Brookhurst Model Show. There is some amazing stuff, and it is crazy, crazy busy. So a bunch of really cool Gundam here. There are a few cars, but this is sci-fi, armor, airplanes, automotive. So here we go. Segue over to the tanks. Really, really nice dioramas and work. This is just amazing. Let's see if I can get in a little closer. Detail on that is really, really cool.
Yeah, I know for me, usually I'm pretty good managing everything. Just runs up on my box, maybe taking off one or two arms every now and then.
Oops.
Yeah, there's no
I'll sneak around you. That's okay. You're fine. It's very tight quarters here today.
No, I have a 3-year-old. That one took me, I want to say,
Oh, this is kind of fun. Nice.
the last, like the base and the last pieces, like within this week.
Oh, and maybe I did just pause. So that'll be a weird transition.
I may take it small and then put on sale over there too. It's 35.
All right. Sorry, guys. It's super, super busy here.
Two of the same.
Oh, this is kind of cool. Neat bits and pieces there.
I just made, I got a set of the raffle, I got a set of figures. We're just supposed to get there next year.
See. I'll show you this little guy back here. Alright, here's what everybody's probably been waiting for. Automotive. Some amazing builds here. This is the Spruefest in Anaheim, or South Anaheim, California. Great job muddying up that Range Rover. Very, very nice builds here. Engine detail. Very cool. Oh, this is neat. AMG. For you guys. Can I sneak by you here?
Sure.
Thank you. Oops.
I mean, they're beautiful.
Oh, that is amazing. These are some absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous builds. Wow, look at the engine detail on that. Very nice. For you guys. This one's really nice. This is like just phenomenal. Get a good engine shot for you. Very, very cool. Here we've got some nice race cars. Alright. Alright, can I sneak by you?
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
It's been a while.
Very crowded in here.
He said he may. He was gonna try.
Good to see him.
Yeah. Haven't seen him since the last time here.
Yeah, a couple of years.
Super, super
Yeah.
cool. Come around. Very nice. This little guy is really cute.
Although this is not.
More fun stuff. Actually, quite a large car selection for a tiny show. Really, really awesome job here. Let's see if we can get some of the detail in there. It's so cool when you guys do that stuff. Take a look in there for you. Got a car hauler, complete with cars.
Maybe you can see over there because we
Very, very nice. This is pretty cool too. Get in there. There's a couple of really cool trucks. Alright, here we go. Some really nice vehicles here. Pitch that guy from the flip side here. Missed this one on the other side. Oh, this is pretty sweet. Oh, I think we've seen this one at one of the shows. I want to say that we saw this in Vegas. Might be wrong, but wow. The detail on that is just phenomenal. Ooh, here's a real fun one. Very, very cool. Get a little bit better view there for you guys.
Right, yeah.
I kind of like
Another shop truck, those are always fun.
through the front. You can see that in between the seats.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There's a sparkle.
Yeah, next to it, you're right. That's nuts. What did you use to clean it?
Lead wire.
Oh, that's fun.
Slice it. You slice it and then you get.
I saw that you use a lot of the
Yeah, cigarette, chocolate.
Let's sneak by you.
Cars and all that. There's a lot of reflective material.
Okay, if I sneak by?
That yellow wire was like such a highlight for me.
Oh, you got it.
Grabbing it, painting it, getting it all over.
Would you mind if I sneak in front of you here?
So as long as I beat my last round, I'm gonna be able to.
And how did you get into this?
My mentor, we work together. He knows I'm super into cars. We started going places like literally cross-country.
And it's so real. That's true.
Alright, I am going to take a second to highlight. This is a female builder new to the hobby. These are her first and second builds, which is pretty amazing. There's some phenomenal detail, and we're going to do a little visit with her in a moment here. But I want to do justice and get some good photos for you guys. Good video. We got a couple motorcycles here. Oh wow, that's really cool. Alright, let's get some Gundam, and I know it's not all Gundam. Some of these are super, super cool. Mecha, that's another one. Oh, we've got some Bandai figures here. Awesome, Mandalorian.
I haven't.
Can I sneak by? Do you mind? Sorry. Some more Bandai. We all know Mr. BG loves some of these kits.
He said, yeah.
Very cool. Nice diorama. Very cool Stormtrooper.
We could almost
Some other fun stuff here. Do you mind if I sneak in front of you guys? Thank you. There we go. Really cool artwork on these. Oh wow. This X-Wing is pretty cool. Well worn. Sneak in this guy. Oh, here we go. Slave 1. Looking old and beat up. Very cool. Oh, I think this is the God Phoenix. Brian has this kit. That's really cool. Just wanted to make sure I had that right. Another really cool X-Wing. Another awesome figure. Ooh, when Worlds Collide. That is pretty neat. Oh, Brian's done one of these as well. Klingon ship. Nice. Let's see if we can get this, there we go. Really awesome ship there. Tank. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is cool. Any of you have watched Mandalorian, or actually Boba Fett is when this premiered. Very, very cool. Awesome. Very nice.
Oh, that's you. Okay.
Super, super cool builds here. That is fantastic.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, that's like Dalton too. It's like I didn't realize who it was. I only recognized him by some of the hand tats he had that I saw in the picture.
This is another fun one.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's crazy too because they got multiple categories. It's not just like the CGMC where it's just blue. Pretty much. I mean, yeah, I forgot that junior versus my DMS in San Diego. So
You just put a little bit on it and then do it again, and it's really